Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kementeri Sorkar kepada IPEC ia ketenat kekoj kekhia ke Dr. Maisel Ampareen Lingdo mentah kesengi ke arpusau tarik ujeleo arajar arpusau kala Plie ba ia ke Kamra jong ke X-ray unit Smit Primary Health Center haga jingan lang u Dr. Joram Beda Commissioner and Secretary jong ke Health and Family jong ketenat kekoj kekhia but Dr. F.V. Karshiying Director of Health Services MI but kiwei haba ajing keren hagani kasngi hagajing elang ka balingkot nakaliang ka kongsan ka Dr. Ampareen kalaong baka jingwan jong ka amtang ban Plie ka benta jong ka X-ray unit hinray ban pet ru ya ka jingkeo bat ka jingya shakmat ka rukom trekam jong ka PHC ka kong Ampareen kalaong ru haki benai bala dem hakapor baka kawan pet ya ka jaka nakaliang kinong elam Shnong kila Kyrpad ban Pynkiew Kyrdan ya ka PHC sya ka CHC bat ka jakaru kaladon ya ka benta ki karikor ke Dr. Ampareen kala ongru bandon ke jingya day ke bajan hapadeng ki saheb bat ki ba kala kintu ye ki saheb jong ketenat ke kot ke kia abakin budin ye ki jing Kyrpad bat ki jing terwa ki bala ai da ka Shnong.
Thank you.
Not centralized from.
No.
Then actually after I have to enter all the information that I have to do for the patient, then I have to go to that room and do the X-ray. After that I have to come and process it here.
From which?
Somewhere that radiation
Yes.
is not a problem.
I mean, the problem is for them only, not for anybody else.
Wan ini neba iba isadar iberi perlok tunai ong peci madam tawa ketika building lah sedang manisna tanpa kadon berikut nomor ba nakaju kelenti hapung Malaysia kani kita padot kani ka facility bosna kani ka building ko ka conference room ra kibi dan madam hanai kham shem jing ladam dan jakaya senang lagi tadi dengan layak khana kilawan ke engineers kilayak tech kilayak keren balalah ba plan dan su penkala ya ka plan jong kata ka project ka wan no world bank yo sha bu dak jingkali par lasai por submit ya ka UC te la kam ini dari wan mong tengkano ta ko we ban sna ta ko we pat ka entry na nei kumbaong ka jingkrian jong i saudara iberi perlok nga ila aya nga suggestion ting one day man Plie tang ito ke machine one fix ndo ni kata paar saudara bansia peteng ya kecinya kren ni pun kadang one katukat ni benai mensyuang try lain ya kumta benai mensyuang ada depan ki ong ba kwa ban Pynkiew no ya kani ka PHC siya ka CHC dan kajakang itu ki engineers menela dep aya ki saudara ya ka report ba kate ke jaka sate banle integrated CHC infrastructure tharai ka numlong tingin hapan pet la ne em ki quarters kini kita isna ni ka main building jong ka CHC isna te ti kata ro nila sai pat niya buti ni kata pat ngada sungok shisha ya ka si ni ba please no jan bat ni banyak keren directly bat nga ngade kanong yalam kabayo klen nga hap le no takadaw nga wan kupot namar hakaching long priyo hakaching bunkam yo no kumno nim don por ban yawan kayang takadaw nga wan sa kaway de hakanay bawan man hakanay kini yo besar ndon rento dan digiway rapat ikmat mentalawan dia sa digiway pat yo besar de pay de Shnong ban itu ita DJS to me in don la kumno October November mos madam end of October. They come out ding dong hay kapor. She's the new DHS. Iba they kumay mai. Baar ko uniw sa kiri uniw Joram. Sa Joram uniw na Arunachal uniw bro na siya kanlang dingi ba ni. As you said, sir, connection. This connection is not happening, and I'm worried that these connections are not happening. That's why I requested you to please be here, so that everything that we talk about, sir, sees a logical end. The shekren, one no dikiway, la kayat no, one year dikiway, la kayat niya, Taba joram undan ang ni tukat ni kuat. Te at least uban long stable inday sa joram. Yung itime tayo siyang dia menichu hakato pabawan ro kong Dr. Lindo mentalawan na nanay. Again, I have to bring the new team. Madam, please follow up on the proposal of the Shnong. Ngading suwan man hakade kasni poding ngalay siya mo kunrong wala. Ya, siya do dapat paro itu ngalawan baka dia menichu ban pek itu dijakan tu kamu kunrong itu di Shnong mo. Jong siya nilai pek tu itu dijakan. Kadai kita shisha bahasa ni kita kala don't come here go away the CHC. Don't come go away. Not too much a CHC sir. Maybe some sort of a sub-district tertiary care center because the next center will be Shnong. I don't know how you define these terms, but I feel that this is a very good location because all the way there, sir, we don't have very good facilities and 30 beds, right? A PHC has 30 beds? 10 beds. Do what needs to get done. Because at the end of the day, we want to serve the people. Doesn't really matter who the targeted group is. And we need to work hard. We need to ensure because sometimes valuable lives are lost. Between Smit and Shnong, valuable time. And we just lose our patience. This should not happen and we should work hard. Very grateful to all of you, madam, and your entire team. I'm not naming everyone by name, but you must remember that we are grateful and we are happy that this is going to be better. And I'm sure that with God's blessing and all of our dedicated services, our officials always giving, Madam teachers, we look up to you. We know that there are these big gaps. Now we need to figure this out and we need to find out how we can strengthen the systems. So there was some indication also of, a reward to the Shnong for the land and this, that, for some job that needed to be given. I don't know why it's left pending. Don't bring it. Always wait for minister to come and then say do this, do that. It's not nice. So madam, just check out. And anyways, we are having a detailed discussion as to what needs to get done to strengthen the staff of all of our facilities. So we are working on it. And I hope the ultrasound is doing well because this is the only ultrasound for this entire region. Sir. There is no ultrasound in 100 and how many? What is the coverage? 183 villages. And if you count with Jongsha, it covers almost 500 villages.
Private hospital are unhappy with this thing.
Interesting. Correct. So we are happy. We are connected. I should request if we can start. Kung inya tracy tom niya IT network man sim yang kakam kabang niya tongro nang ni sakmat umluban niya tula supo ay gudon kasnyo dimentang niya pet yang nga request ya i sawanyang takadaw sawanyang day bubulkam ni sidon but isa isigay ay junior gabi Felix thank you Felix di jam lakban right di sawanyang iberi engineer juni dadapidon kam ilong available for consult Banginya pet bayar kan ko bangile di benda ha tinga one pet shop and odd is the report ya ke tinglong jiman di ko machine x-ray she one she odd no long kata abis pet shop papiang ni dia tinggal ay kren bagi x-ray technician dumi ngala ong i ba idi ban dedicate kapor na kanta ban pendon kam hok ya ke machine ka bangiwan raang ni but ngidi ban pet ba kan ko bangile ni nakabanta ban trekam bat ban penbaha penklan ya kali ke sistem ko dumi ada kiti shisha bo ong sehat juram mentan uang ba kajing kalong hapo kikendong kikenshot shati sapo kishnong kita kading don kam jeni ban pensyai ya ketika kikelong balai siya may kibriyo kidang don katakachik snow. I went with the DMLHO and we were reviewing the immunization. It was very bad. It was about 35 to 40% only. In fact, in certain villages, it did not even reach that much. Institutional deliveries in that entire belt ahead of this road, we still have huge numbers of home deliveries. I don't know why this is happening. We have to look at all those sub-centers that have been proposed. The entire list is with the DMNHO. All these sub-centers, we need to figure out how to improve, like you said, the auxiliary staff. Right from your Anganwadi to your Asha to everybody down the road, to your MLHPs. I think we need to figure this out because this information, sir, needs to percolate to that village, and we have to ensure that we are able to attend. And I hope the DMNHO has given the report of the PG of Jongsha also. I saw two children sharing one bed. So that was very heartbreaking. In fact, residents were telling us that when there were patients who came in, the moment they became a little better, sir, they would release them because there was already somebody else waiting online. So our teams are doing very well. We need to build on the infrastructure. I'm happy to see that finally this construction is way ahead, because when I came the last 3 months almost ago, they had not even started because of some technical problem which could have been sorted out, but I'm happy that that is also happening.